Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Caspa itself. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Just want to start off by saying, thank you to the Caspa community, for being here from the beginning. And, you guys are showing tremendous amount of support day in, day out, despite, price lagging over the course of the last 2 months, or, when the price has been going crazy. The Caspa community has been here, from day one. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with Caspa and what we could be expecting going into Thursday morning. I cannot believe, we're already ripping through the month of November. It's absolutely insane. Time's going by super fast. Very scary to say the least, but yeah, that's just life. But if you're looking at Caspa down 4% right now, over the course of the last 24 hours, with the price currently sitting at 15.06 cents. Also down 8.5% in Bitcoin comparative, with the market cap at about $3.8 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 168.2 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Dominance has been on an absolute tear. You saw dominance hitting a new yearly high at the likes of 61.74%. Massive increase over the course of the last 48 hours. Major catalyst behind a lot of red right now that we're seeing for the broader market. Even though Bitcoin has been on an absolute tear lately, Bitcoin broke out to the likes of $97,900, guys. You're seeing Bitcoin approaching that six-figure price point. And I do believe that six-figure price point is going to be a major level for people to lock in profits, especially to the people that got in early. You need to remember there are a bunch of people out there right now that did pick up Bitcoin when it was below 10K, $3,000. And of course, there's so many people that picked up Bitcoin below 1,000 back in obviously 2016 and 2015 time zones. And, those people are going to be sitting at 100x for one of the biggest assets around the globe now, which is being adopted. So, there is going to be some profit taking in my opinion, but, big money is coming into the space. I think we will pass through it, but I am expecting once that target is to be reached, you're going to be seeing the whole world talking about Bitcoin hitting that $100,000, which again, I think will bring in more eyes. You're already starting to see a lot of retail interest coming in. Everyone's talking about crypto, and that tells you everything you need to know in terms of retail interest. And that could also be taken as, we are coming up to, the crazy times, and maybe December is going to be another upside, which I am projecting. But I think I've stated this in my other updates. If you do watch my other updates, I think sometime early next year we do see a pullback to shake out the weekends. I'm very confident about that, and we'll see what happens. But Bitcoin broke a new all-time high. Absolutely amazing to see. And just today alone, guys, Bitcoin has gone up 5%. This is the biggest asset we're talking about in the crypto space. But let's take a look at what's happening with Caspa. So Caspa definitely seeing a lag. And as of now, we're seeing the importance of that key resistance, which we spoke about yesterday as well. As of now, that is the level where we need to keep our eyes on. And of course, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, where you want to see the price holding. And you are seeing the price actually falling below the 78.6. But something that I want you guys to note, which a lot of people will forget, is that you are seeing dominance rising very sharply right now because the way Bitcoin is going up. And this is causing actually a lot of money to, actually exit from altcoins into Bitcoin. But, I think we are going to see the organic, shift towards the upside for altcoins in USD comparative. I think the market is going to actually flow with Bitcoin's momentum in USD. But with that said, we're going to see a major lag in Bitcoin comparative, but a historic day for Bitcoin right now, guys. And I have a feeling that we could actually hit a six-figure price point this week alone. I have a feeling about that. Maybe not exactly at 100,000, because again, a huge profit-taking spot, maybe 99,900. But if the volume is on our end, I think we crack past that and make history. But looking at the price of Caspa, like I said, we're sitting below the 78.6 right now. So it's not just Caspa that's down. Obviously, we need to keep in mind there's a lot of other coins that are down right now over the course of the last 24 hours. But again, you are seeing the importance of that key resistance at 17.3 cents yet again. You guys can understand why I've been talking about this key resistance day in, day out, because this is a major key resistance. This is where I originally sensed the weakness, and we know what happened with the price of Caspa. So yet again, you really want to see the price of Caspa going back above that key resistance, reclaiming it and turning into support. I don't think, Caspa would require a major move. I think all Caspa needs to do is get past this key resistance, turn it into support. I think we could actually start heading towards some of the prices that we haven't seen since August, which was, of course, its all-time high. But, a mixed opinion for Caspa flying around. Around these times, everyone was mega bullish on Caspa, but right now, due to the price, kind of retracing, people are, obviously spreading some FUD and, not as excited about Caspa, and that just happened. So if you have done your due diligence research and have invested what you can afford to lose, you guys know patience is your number one key to follow. But at the end of the day, time is the major factor. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. And yeah, continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.